guys! Welcome back to Bonnie's Kitchen. Today we will make brookies. Brookies are part brownies and part chocolate chip cookies. They are rich and decadent and will definitely satisfy your sweet tooth. Are you ready? Let's get baking! For the brownie layer, we will need 113 grams of dark baking chocolate chopped, 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of plain flour, 3 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and half teaspoon of salt. For the cookie layer, we will need 2 cups of dark chocolate chips, 3/4 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1 1/4 cup of plain flour, half cup of white sugar, half cup of brown sugar, 1 medium egg, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the butter, and chopped chocolate. Microwave these for 10 to 30 seconds or until they are completely melted. Once they are already melted, give it a mix, then add the white sugar and mix them together. Add in the cocoa powder, and eggs one at a time, and then the vanilla extract. Then, mix in the plain flour and salt. Mix it together until well combined. Now, pour the brownie mixture in a 9 by 13 inches baking pan. Spread it evenly. In another bowl, add the butter and using a hand mixer, beat the butter until it becomes creamy. Then, add in the brown sugar and white sugar and continue beating. Then, add the vanilla extract, an egg, and beat them together. And scrape the sides of the bowl. Now, sift the flour, salt, and baking powder. Fold them together using a spatula until well incorporated. Now, fold in the dark chocolate chips, but before that, take off a handful for the toppings later. Then, scoop the cookie mixture and distribute it all over the top of the brownie layer and gently flatten it, just like this. You don't have to cover the brownie layer, but distribute the cookie mixture as much as possible. Then, top it with the remaining chocolate chips. Then, bake this in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out with moist crumbs and the top is golden brown. After baking, let this completely cool before cutting it into slices. And here's our finished product! Brookies are rich, fudgy, and delicious. I hope you give this a try. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!